First march in the history of the PNT trade union movement and the entirety of the central government employees movement and even the working class movement ought to be regarded as a black day in the history of the Indian working class movement. The reason is that Comrade M. Krishnan, former Secretary General of the Central Government Employees Trade Union Movement and a leader who has immensely sacrificed his life for the cause of the Indian working class and toiling class masses, have lost his life on 1st March. The leader, Comrade M. Krishnan, has immensely sacrificed for the cause of the PNT trade union movement workers and employees and central government employees, workers and officers and other pensioners, and even he has sacrificed and did a lot of work to the Indian working class movements, passions, not only in Kerala, throughout the length and the breadth of the country. The entirety of the Indian working class movement, the entirety of the central government employees movement, the entirety of the PNT trade union movement and pensioners and the entirety of the Indian working class movement have lost a great leader, that is Comrade Krishnan. We have to make our services on the lines of Comrade M. Krishnan in the near futures, where the country is facing a lot of crises and many of the issues of inequalities existing in this society must be wiped out. That must be the right tribute to our Comrade M. Krishnan, who had sacrificed his entirety of their life for the cause of the Indian working class movement. Thank you so much. 1st March has been recorded in the history of the PNT trade union movement and the history of the Indian working class movement. A great leader, Comrade M. Krishnan, has expired. This news has been spread in the WhatsApp group and it has given a shock waving to the entirety of the Indian working class movement. That the movement, not only the PNT trade union movement, the Indian working class movement, the entirety of the central government employees have lost a leader of very rare qualities and he has sacrificed throughout his life for the working class movement and the working people throughout the length and breadth of the country. We, the postal employees, retired postal employees, central government employees, working class employees, and all the cross sections of toiling masses pay our tributes to Comrade M. Krishnan, who has sacrificed the life for the cause of the Indian working class movement. We deport our leader a great tribute by this video. Thank you so much.